Hi, in this episode, we're going to talk about how to configure an NTP server. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. It's what allows one server to synchronize its date and time settings with a time server. So as a client, you don't actually have to now manually keep the time on a server while you are simply synchronizing your time with a dedicated time server. There are servers on the internet that are specifically meant only for this job, which is providing the closest possible time to clients. And in this episode, we're going to talk about how to implement an NTP server. You'll have to start with downloading and ensuring that the chrony service is actually running, because this is the implementation of NTP on your Linux system. So once you install chrony, you are going to edit its configuration file to actually allow client access. Now, this IP address is, of course, a reference. This could be based on whatever subnet or whatever IP address that you are configuring for your client. Then it's as simple as starting or restarting the service after making the necessary configuration changes. In this upcoming lab, we're going to go through these steps and actually show you a full implementation of the NTP server in Linux. Please join us in our very next lab. In this episode, we're going to show how to configure an NTP server. NTP means Network Time Protocol. This is a client-server protocol that on the server side has a server offer its time for other servers to synchronize their clocks. So that's what a time server is. Its job is just to keep the time and offer that time to others. So that NTP service is running from a program called chrony. So first of all, we need to make sure that the program is installed and the service is running. By default, that program is actually installed on most Linux systems. So here, I will actually log in as root so I can install it if necessary. I want to check by typing dnf install chrony and see if it is already installed. And here we can say Y to install the latest upgraded version of chrony. And now I want to make sure that that service is configured. So I'm going to open the chrony.conf configuration file. So here it says that here pool means these are the servers I'm actually requesting syncing my time. But if we scroll down, we should see allowing NTP clients access from the local network. So here we can say allow people from my network, which happens to be 172.16.10.0/16, allow anyone from within this network to be able to use my, this specific NTP server in order to synchronize their time. So that's all you have to add is this allow feature, allowing servers to actually, synchronize their time. And a stratum is how accurate you want your clock to be. So again, you can serve time even if it's not synchronized. And essentially, the lower or the higher stratum number, we'll put a stratum of 8. This simply means that if the server cannot find any additional time servers, then they can use my server. So we can give a local stratum to really prioritize how accurate my time server is when a client uses it. So let's go ahead and quit with escape:\wq and then restart this service so then other servers can potentially use my server to synchronize their time. And I'll just say systemctl restart chrony d, which is the service name. And that's it. Now our NTP server is ready to serve time to clients who want to synchronize their time with this server. That's it for this episode. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.